Right.
Babe.
My cigarettes are gone.
No, babe. Babe.
What? You keep yelling my name, I'm gonna smack the shit out of you.
Your name is not Babe. Do you remember you always said that if you did the...
Hit the motherfucking... Oh, I swear to God, I'm gonna tell you.
You know how you stop smoking, you would do a big red outline of no more drugs? Yeah.
Joey. Joey, I need you to lay on your stomach. I didn't get the back of your head.
There's just nobody else here.
Joey.
Joey, I love you.
Joey,
I'm the grunt of it. I'm not even the one that did it.
you know I love you, right? You know I love you, right? You know I love you, though, right? You know I love you, though, right? Because it's just great. You really have the big circle with the line through it, with the red marker on your head. I'm not even gonna tell you what it says on your forehead, though. Come on, let's go to the bathroom. I'll show you. Here, come on. Here, I'll show you. Come on.
Here, why go to the bathroom? That window is a mirror window.
Yeah.
Come on.
No,
Yeah.
I'll go to the bathroom. Go.
Plant your feet.
Kick someone's ass. Someone go to the bathroom and record this shit.
Grab your bag. I love you. You know it's good. You know it's good. I was gonna do a couple extra A's so it sounded like Mr. Garrison. Drugs are bad. At least it wouldn't let me tie the dental floss to your teeth and rip them out.
It's alright. You know what?
Go back to
Bitch,
sleep.
I'm going back to sleep. I'm going to bed.
Joey, I told him not to do it.
Hey, Joey,
No, fuck off.
look at me. Look at me. Go back to bed.
Because he's still in bed and forget all about it. He'll wake up tomorrow morning, look in the mirror, like, you fucking kid. Just like a John, here's